This special message is for the youth of Pakistan and also the youngest motivational speaker, Hammad Safi, who's merely 12 years old. Come on, can you believe it? This kid, I've read about his routine, I've seen his schedule. It's really very tough, studying for 16 to 18 hours in a row on daily basis, preparing for the lectures and going for sessions that are held for 1 hour or 2 hours and continuously speaking on that. See, it requires one of the most important factor that is there in the human body and human mind. And what is that? That is actually the determination. That is actually the confidence. And that is actually the belief that you can have on yourself. So my special message is, first of all, it is for the youth of Pakistan that, see, Hammad Safi, he's 12 years old only. He's a big inspiration in front of you. I wanted to say motivation, but he's actually an inspiration who has inspired the kids all around this country, and not only Pakistan, but all around the globe. He goes into different universities and he delivers speeches over there. He has even been invited to one of the biggest business concerns of Dubai, where he went, he spoke to the people, he spoke to the kids, he spoke about his country, and he represented this country, Pakistan, in a really very beautiful way. He has shown a positive image of Pakistan all around the world, and we all know about it. But remember this thing, what I believe is knowing is not alone important. When you know something, you have to implement that. Now, Hammad is an inspiration in front of you. What I believe, that if this 12 years old little professor, the little kid with a beautiful smile always on his face, if he can do it, you can do it as well. You also have got those powers, you also have got those skills, you also have those abilities, but the problem is the discovery. This kid discovered them by going into deep struggles, by having high expectations and countless hours of preparation that he always keeps going on with. What you people are going to do? What difference are you going to create? How are you going to present yourself? And how are you going to present your country to the world? Remember this thing, as long as you work for personal cause, success is not going to be there for you. You have to make your cause big. You have to have a big cause, and that big cause should always be a national cause. You have to live for your country, and you have to represent your country in a really very beautiful way, like the kid is doing. So I believe that this inspiration is in front of you. He is from your motherland. He is from Pakistan, and he's just like you. If he can do it, you can do it as well. Thank you so much.